friends, today we're going to be making milestone rounds. Let's get started. First, select the circle shape from the left side menu. Then we're going to size it to 4 inches to make a template for the round. Now you're going to select the font you want to use from the menu above. I like to choose 2 different fonts for each word. Now that the planning is over, let's start making our rounds. This first example is the marble effect. The next example is a simple brush stroke effect. These are the finished rounds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.